Let me ask you something important. Are you treating your solo time like a quick chore you just want to finish as fast as possible? Most men do. But what if the way you pleasure yourself alone is actually holding back the passionate, confident sex life you really want? Here's the powerful truth. Your private moments are the dress rehearsal for the real performance. If you've been practicing the same rushed routine for years, it's no wonder things can fall apart when you're with a woman. The wonderful news is that small, smart changes in how you enjoy yourself can completely transform your ability to get hard, stay hard, last longer, and feel deeper pleasure together. Today, I'm sharing 10 simple yet powerful upgrades you can try during your alone time. These will help you become a much more skilled and satisfying lover and enjoy far more pleasure yourself. Ready? Let's begin. Number 1, use plenty of lubrication. Real intimacy is usually warm, wet, and slippery. Research shows that using lubricant significantly increases pleasure and satisfaction for both men and women. If you've trained yourself with a dry or rough grip, your body may struggle when things feel slick with a partner. Give yourself time to adjust. A good silicone-based lube or a quality cream made for men makes all the difference. Number 2, switch hands once in a while. It sounds simple, but it pulls you out of autopilot and wakes up your mind and body, exactly what you need when you're with someone else. Even if it feels awkward at first, alternate between hands. It keeps you fully present and helps prevent the same old patterns from taking over. Number 3, slow down and take your time. If you usually finish in under 2 minutes alone, how do you expect to last longer when you're excited and a beautiful woman is right there with you? Studies on ejaculation control techniques prove that extending your solo sessions to 15 or 30 minutes makes a dramatic difference. If you're short on time, either extend it or don't finish. Your future self will thank you. Number 4, touch your whole body, not just one area. Explore your chest, nipples, thighs, and anywhere else that feels good. Take a long warm bath, use a massage gun, or simply dance to music you love. When you become more aware of your own sensations, you'll naturally become better at understanding hers too. That deeper body connection translates directly into more satisfying intimacy. Number 5, change your position every time. Stop using the same chair or spot. Lie down, stand up, kneel, or try a gentle bridge pose. Notice how different angles change how you feel. This builds the flexibility and control you'll need to stay confident and in command no matter what position you're in with a partner. Number 6, tease yourself and build anticipation. Start with your underwear on, touch lightly everywhere until the desire becomes almost unbearable, then begin slowly. Learning to savor the slow build makes everything feel more intense and helps you last much longer when it really counts. Number 7, practice edging. Bring yourself right to the edge of climax, pause, let the feelings settle, then build again, 2 to 4 times per session. Research on the stop-start method shows this greatly improves lasting power and makes the final release far more powerful. You'll gain real mastery over your responses and discover orgasms that feel deeper and more explosive than ever. Number 8, practice wearing a condom during your solo time. If condoms reduce sensation for you, this is the perfect place to train your body to enjoy them. Add a drop of lube inside and out. You'll feel more confident and capable when you're with a partner, and you'll keep things safe and enjoyable for both of you. Number 9, bring in a toy. Masturbation sleeves, rings, or prostate stimulators can open up brand new levels of pleasure and make you a more skilled partner. There's nothing strange about investing in your own pleasure. It shows you truly care about becoming a better lover and having a more satisfying intimate life. Number 10, step away from porn. Countless studies link regular porn use with reduced sexual satisfaction and difficulty staying fully present during real intimacy. When you focus completely on your own body and sensations, you'll discover deeper pleasure and bring that presence into bed with your partner. Start with whichever tips feel easiest for you, then gently add the ones that challenge you. Small, consistent changes create remarkable results. I'm Rosa, and I'm truly excited to help you become the confident, attentive lover she deserves and the man who enjoys every moment of it. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. You've got this. See you soon.